All right, guys, in today's short, we're going to talk a little bit about how to trade bullish divergence and a little bit about delta absorption as well. So right here on the ES 1 minute and on the NASDAQ 1 minute, we can see a little bit of a bullish divergence forming at the low of day today. So we had a lower low on price. You can see price broke this prior low here and put in a new low around 10:21 a.m. And with that lower low, the delta was still going up. So we were seeing this on pretty much the entire day. Delta was rising as price was falling. And this was just kind of the final straw when you put in that low of day after the 9:30 open. And then you finally put in that higher low on delta. And then once you start to break back above that, the first low, which kind of became a sweep at that point, that's when that bull div started to finally play out. So you put in a lower low, delta put in a higher low, you swept back above that first low, which if I mark out here, you can see right there. We traded back above it, back tested it, and then you finally went that direction. So typically with bull divs, once you see that second low start to curl, you start to have that kind of U shape, and it starts to get back above that prior low, that's when you want to start looking for those buys. And then the stop loss is always below that lowest point. So the lowest point here would be below 18. So stop loss below that level. And then normally you want to target that sell pressure that created that first low. So somewhere in this general area around like 35, or you could target the high right here around like 34. And then if you want to continue to look for targets, then you would just have to look for prior value levels or VWAP or something that's trailing price, right? So short-term target is always where that sell pressure created that first low, and then you want to look for VWAP or prior value.